Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Huda and I do makeup tutorials and sometimes unboxing. So this is a very simple look using some of the palettes that were gifted to me during Christmas by Fearlessbeaute. So the palettes we're going to be using today are called Girl Qualities and Ilicious. I think they're so adorable. Please ignore my lash glue. Apparently they didn't dry properly before I actually finished the video. But before we start the video, I want to tell you guys about a giveaway that I have teamed up with a few of my favorite girls, and these are the prizes. It's an international giveaway. All you have to do is follow the instructions in my description box and also follow us on Instagram. And these are all the amazing prizes you can win, including Huda Beauty, a clipless iron, and some really amazing Morphe and some brushes. So make sure to look at my box, see the description, follow the instructions, follow us, and maybe you'll be the lucky winner. So I've already done my brows, I've prepped my eyes. I used the blank canvas by Gerald Cosmetics, and we're going to start with the color Glamorous and just apply it as our transition coat. We're only going to use 3 colors, so it's going to be really easy. Next, we're going to start with the color Lady Spice, and we will apply it just around our crease area and start blending it into the original color, Glamour. Now we need to cut the crease. I love using the Royal and Nickel flat brush, and this is actually an art brush, not a makeup brush, to apply a thin line right above where my crease wrinkles, or right above my crease line. So once the crease is cut, we're going to go in with Fashionista, which is in the Glitter palette. It is the pink in the lower right hand corner. I amazingly did not have to wet the brush or anything. Just with the moisture from the concealer, I was able to quickly apply it. Once you're done applying the glitter, just go in with a denser brush and apply more of the two pinks to blend out your glitter. Even though it's a little harder to blend out, but still it makes the look a lot better. So I actually had the opportunity today to test out their new mascara, and to be honest with you, it's a little clunky on the brush, but it did make my lashes look a lot bigger and a lot fuller, which I really love. So you guys can actually see the results for yourself. So I applied lashes off camera, and as I told you guys, the lashes did not dry properly. But still, this is our final look. It's a very simple look. We used literally 3 colors, mascara, and the lashes, and it's amazing. It's an easy look to switch out the colors if you want to go out anywhere. And it's such a simple cut crease, but yet so beautiful. And guys, don't forget to enter my giveaway. Remember to subscribe with thumbs up, turn on all notifications, and hope to see you next time. Love you guys.